What's up, BB gang? It's your boy Syvon.
It's your girl Shy Money.
And we are back with another prank video. But this time, as you guys can see, we're by ourselves. So who will we pranking? Well, you guys see the title and thumbnail already, so y'all already know who we're pranking. But you know what we're doing. And take the stage.
We're gonna do a prank on my granny. Okay? We're gonna do a prank on my granny. So I'm basically going to not FaceTime call her because she don't have an iPhone, but I'm going to call her and basically tell her that we're pregnant.
You're pregnant, we're pregnant.
Babe, it's the same thing.
I have a long joint right here.
Y'all tell him it's the same thing as me being pregnant. We're pregnant. No, we're having a baby.
No, you're pregnant. Come on, tell you about you. Not come on, come on. You're pregnant. No, we're pregnant.
Babe.
Babe, what?
Okay, so I'm basically gonna call her and tell her that we're having a baby.
Oh, you gonna call her? You gonna voice call her?
I'm gonna video call her.
Okay, video call. Okay.
So the twist to it is, I have my mom in on the prank. Sorry, Granny, but
it was her idea, not mine.
And he went along with it. He was like, "Yeah,
no,
let's do this."
The whole time I'm over here like.
Okay, so right now I have my mom. I told my mom that they need to separate or whatever, so that way I can call them. So I'm gonna call both of them because we have like a little group chat. I'm gonna call both of them.
Oh, you gonna put them both on the same call?
Mhm.
Oh Lord.
So that way I can get cause I told Mama, I said, Mama, you have to make sure you egging it on, you basically approving it, but in a way saying that it's all Granny. It's gonna be all on Granny, so that way we can get a bigger reaction.
So she can she wanna I want 2 of your eggs, me, her, and Mama.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So yeah, man, we're doing too much talking. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below other pranks y'all want to see, or DM us on the Instagram what other pranks you want to see, or if you want to do a pranks on each other, stuff like that. So yeah. Without further ado, man, we're gonna dive into this video. You situated, bro?
Mhm.
Bro, I feel like she ain't know. I feel like she gonna choke, bro.
No, I'm not.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie. I feel like I'm gonna choke.
He gonna choke. He gonna be like.
Who gonna choke? Man, here, not trying to play me. You know I'm the prank king here. I'm the prank king.
Okay.
I'm the prank king.
Watch when we start recording this video. Watch.
What's gonna happen? You finna call right now?
Mhm.
So do I leave the camera right here, or do I hold the camera?
Mhm.
Alright guys, so we figured what we're gonna do. She bought a call, and then I'm be the cameraman basically. She's gonna do all the talking. Maybe I'll put you in a little stupid voice and say something to make it more entertaining, but yeah. Let's get this prank started, man. Like and subscribe and
hit the notification bell to be notified when we post a video.
And rest in peace to us. Let's go.
Alright, turn all the way up. Maybe I'm about to call. You scared? I'm nervous.
Stop smiling, nigga.
Okay. Here we go. What's wrong with your head?
What you up to?
Oh, nothing. Just checking on you and stuff. Nothing. Just checking on you. What you doing?
Sitting in this cool that time that you both put my garage back in place so I can put my car in the sun.
Dang. What your car gotta do with the sun? Your car ain't gonna get no sunburn.
Yeah, it is. I went to the bathroom while she said, okay, y'all in there, the air conditioning, y'all just left me out here all day long. Now you done closed the garage door out me. When you gonna come put me back in the house?
Oh Lord, that's what your car saying?
Yeah, that's what my car said when I was on tomorrow.
Okay, well, where's Mama?
In the garage. I just told you she went to put the garage back in place. But what you called for?
I was trying to get Mama in here too. Actually, gonna tell me she's busy. Okay, well, I was trying to call both of y'all.
What's up?
Huh?
What's up? Just say it.
Just say what, girl?
Okay, she connected now. There she is.
Oh, okay. I'm sweating.
Why?
Huh?
Why you sweating?
Cause something I need to tell you. Well, y'all.
I bet you finna tell me you pregnant.
It's about to go down.
Where are you? Girl, that's that wrong.
The Rona.
What?
What you say it was, Mama?
Let's say Corona.
Well, that's what I needed to tell you, Mama. I'm pregnant. That's what I called to tell you.
You pregnant?
Yes.
I'm about to be a kid.
Yeah, you about to be Granny. Granny gonna be a great grandma. Huh? How am I get us put out? What you mean put out? Granny, I could just put the baby in my room with me.
I asked you tonight, where Syvon at? Put Syvon on this phone. But I told him not to get you pregnant until you got all your running out your body and all your whatever you want to do. At 25, then you can have all the children you want. Are you pregnant for real?
Yes, Mama.
I bet that's why she was in your room this morning. I told you I seen her in your room.
Mama, you was putting my stuff out. You was putting my stuff out.
Now I'm about to go up on your wrist because you have two people's here. Oh, my ass. Don't be fucking your mouth like this.
That's a baby. We can.
Put your phone on this phone.
Why? What happened?
Put your phone on this phone.
He not with me right now.
Where you at?
I'm at his house.
At who house?
His house. He went to go.
I gotta put the Easter basket together. Easter coming up.
The baby ain't gonna be here by that time.
But I still can make an Easter basket. Can I? You already said the car cost you too much money. Now what you think a baby finna do? You ain't got no more life if you pregnant.
What you
You ain't
mean?
got no more life for Syvon. All your spare time, all your extra money, everything going towards it. You is non-existent now.
Momo, I still see.
No. I'm supposed to be that schoolless child. Not to have no baby. You're not even married. Y'all would be married.
Huh?
You have no dumb baby.
I'm not.
You ain't even let me see the stick.
We threw it out, Momo. It was.
What?
I threw it out on accident. I forgot.
No, well, you couldn't get enough to come down here and kiss on it. Let me see it.
Mom, we in quarantine. We can't come out the house.
Mama, where's the rest of your face?
She turning red.
Syvon done shocked it off.
You sweating, Momo?
Stop rubbing your face. They tell you stop, don't rub your face.
You getting red, girl.
Syvon making me itch.
Oh. How I'm making you itch?
I'm out of here.
You out of here? What you mean?
No, you out of here.
Ah.
Syvon, I didn't want you to have no baby right now. But that's you. You're 23.
I know it be people out here younger than me having babies and they good.
Because they stupid. You're not stupid.
Dang.
I had all three of my kids before 23. Listen. Did that make that 3 times stupider? You wouldn't listen. See, I didn't want y'all to do that. Mama makes you cry. I want y'all to be weird. Yeah, Mama.
Oh my granny, don't cry.
You told him? You told him?
Huh?
You told him?
I had to.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Because.
What are you talking for?
Is she serious, Mika? Yeah, Mom.
She left the chat. Mama, go in the living room. Go in there. Look, Giovanni came on the phone now.
She left?
Yeah, she done got out the the little group chat thingy.
Guys.
Girl, I can't even get in the house.
She locked you out. Momo, why you leave the chat? That's your door.
Oh.
She's like, what the heck?
Put your blood on the door, huh?
Dang. Momo. Giovanni just got here.
Well, let me talk to Syvon.
Why?
Because I want to ask him a question.
What question?
By not putting some on that little pepper heels.
You say what?
By not putting no rub on that little pepper heel. You forget to take birth control pill. He's supposed to be protecting himself and you.
What you mean? I don't be forgetting like that.
You did it on purpose.
Huh?
So you got pregnant on purpose.
I mean, not in a way.
Babe, wait till they're 4. Babe, wait till they're 4.
Huh?
Wait till they're 4.
I have to tell her.
Why? She gonna kill me.
Put his face down on the screen.
She said she gonna kill me.
Babe, they gonna kill me.
No, she's not, babe.
I gotta go to Jamaica now.
No.
I gotta pack.
He can't fly to Jamaica right now.
Man, I'm swimming.
Put him on back so you can do that. You have to be lying, be trying to do that old stuff, what you be trying to do.
What stuff?
That old Frank shit. Mama, we can't see nothing but the top of your head. And up here, that's all y'all can see now, because I'm red. I'm blood red.
We can see that. The camera started getting foggy. It was okay.
Hold on, wait.
It was good. I think I got her good, y'all. Y'all, she left the chat, y'all. She left the chat on me.
Hey, I didn't worry to see my face. Whew. Lord, I feel like she was going. What? Come here, boy.
Y'all, she was red, y'all. She was red.
Aww. Aww.
Oh my granny. Now I gotta call her back and be like, it's a prank.
Yeah, it's a prank. You gotta hold the camera though. Wait. When you FaceTime her.
I'm about to right now.
There she go. Syvon, man, you let me down, Syvon. Syvon. I thought me and you was like this here, man. I thought we had it together. I thought we was looking out for one another.
I'm sorry, but I hate to say it, but it's a prank.
Well, I'll be goddamn.
It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank.
For real, because they was bull going with me. Like, it's gonna happen to you now.
What you mean?
It's gonna happen to you. You don't do no kind of pranks like that. Stuff come back on you.
But I'm on my period. Remember I told you that?
It don't matter. They can be pregnant and still be on their period.
She about to end the call. Look, she pressing the phone. Oh! Oh my gosh, Baba, how you think it went? You on YouTube, mama, okay?
Oh, y'all missed the good shit.
What was the good shit? When I hung up?
How she was going out when you got out, when you hung up.
What? Mama.
It's true, what?
I love you.
I love you too from a distance.
We're sorry.
Shit, you know, Javon was gonna get in there. Granny talking about whooping him.
For real.
Look, Javon, don't play with me like that. Do you hear?
It was.
I'm a whole you super accountant.
No, it was her idea. Bruh. No, she came up to me saying.
You go sneak and call me and say, Granny, Javon, you ready to put a baby prank on you. Don't believe me. You better be. I'm gonna put some stuff on y'all friend. Y'all friend gonna be y'all friend a piece of my mind. I'm gonna see just how I feel about it.
What friend? What friend was talking about be nice with the comments?
Bleep. That's how it's gonna come out.
Alright, we finna end the video. Alright guys, if y'all like this prank video we just did on my granny, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment in the comment section. Put some granny emojis in the comment section below. Put granny face on the camera one last time so they can see. Y'all look, we had the little box light and everything. Look at her face. What was that? What was that?
Alright guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe. We're gonna see you guys in the next video.